With Sign Butler, securing signatures on your Salesforce documents has never been simpler or more secure. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, review your document. Then simply send it with a click on Sign Code. Your client will then receive an email from your business domain, inviting them to review and sign the document. Plus, unlike other platforms, you can tailor the signing page with your own branding for a personalized touch. There are a few signature options available: a handwritten template, draw your own signature, or to mail OTP, to name a few. In this case, we will select the handwritten signature template. Once the document is signed, all parties receive a copy that's available to download. The signed copy is also securely stored within Salesforce for easy access and reference. These files can also be stored in SharePoint or Google Drive with Collaboration Butler. With an integrated audit trail, you have full visibility of agreement stages and can easily track its progress. A certificate of completion is also available if required. Experience the ease of document signing with Sign Butler, simplifying Salesforce document processes for you and your clients. Ready to get started? Start your free trial today.